Good morning vlog. I already start off this vlog with this little bonnet on, but I gotta get myself together. So today is Monday, March 4th. Yeah, March 4th. I hired a cleaner to come today. I went through like Dazzling Cleaning because they kept sending me email, text message about getting like a cleaner for free or whatever. So I ended up booking a cleaner today for 2 hours. For what? I don't know. It was free, so I was like, let me do it. She's actually gonna clean the bathroom, deep clean the bathroom. All right, so it is 8:19. My friend called me this morning talking about she want to go to this place, and it had like rib, mac and cheese, collard greens. Y'all, I am not trying to go. No, I really want to go, but I'm trying to like cut back. I'm gonna see if we're gonna go today. If not, that would be great, honestly. But if we do, I'll probably choose something that is more fitting for my diet. Because I am trying to be committed. I actually have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and I know that I am supposed to be dropping some pounds, but your girl has been slacking. I have not been taking my vitamins every day. I have been trying, but I don't know how I was able to be so consistent before, but now it's a little hard for me to be consistent. And I think today I want to pick up me like a little pill box so I can put them all together, because right now I am opening about 8 different bottles to take my supplements and stuff. I think that's what I'm going to do today. I was trying to convince my friend to do my hair because it looks a complete disaster under here, and I actually don't want to have this on while the lady is coming to clean, because I just want to look put together or whatever. Miss Viola did her big one in here. It looks so good and it looks so clean. But I'm about to get dressed because my friend Jazzy wants to meet. First we're gonna go to the dealership, and then we're probably gonna get something to eat. So yeah, I'm about to get dressed for that because I'm really supposed to be meeting her at 11, but Miss Viola left around like 10:39ish, like 10:40. So I need to go ahead and get myself together so I can get ready for that. I'm gonna be wearing a hat today, y'all, because the tracks are like coming out. I took 3 out like yesterday. I don't know why I just stuttered, but I took 3 tracks out yesterday. So it's time for these boys to come out. I low-key want to get it done over, but I want to see if she can probably like glue these back together. If not, I can do it at home, but I would rather her touch, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so I finally made it up with Jazzy. Hi. And we are at Mercedes-Benz. What's so crazy is every time we start talking about cars, we always talk about like the same brand of car but different models. I like this one, Jazzy. It reminds me of like a mommy car. It's so cute. Let me show y'all what we're looking at. I see an olive green one. And you know olive green is my favorite color. It's so pretty. Really? Okay, look.
Oh, you can't even see in the back. You can't see nothing. It's like blacked out. Oh, in the paper right now.
It's nice. It is nice. I like this, the AMG.
And we got like cars like this is my new car. You know.
I am so proud of myself. I feel like today was such an accomplishment. I did so much today. I am overwhelmed easily. That is something that I am working with and dealing with on my own, because I hate being overwhelmed. Because as soon as I get tired, as soon as something pisses me off, as soon as I'm ready to call it a day, I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep it away, because I don't got time to be dealing with things. But anywho, today was a really good day. Let me give y'all a rundown of my day. We actually went to check out some cars. So I seen the car that I like. I actually seen two cars that I like. One was the 2024 G-Wagon, and the other one is the 2021 AMG. Now I like the 2021 AMG. I didn't test drive it. I test drive the G-Wagon, and it's so cute. But that car is more so an investment versus me actually just having that car for a pleasure. That car is very expensive. I think 250K if I'm not mistaken. Baby, that's a salary. Not even some salary. So yeah, after me test driving it, I still like the car. But I was speaking to the guy, and I'm like, you know, the car isn't so uncomfortable to drive. It's cool, but he was saying that you would get more pleasure from actually sitting in the back seat. So those type of cars are modeled to be chauffeured. You're gonna, because I know that I'm gonna be starting a family soon, and what I look like pulling up in a G-Wagon with all of these churn messing up my car? No, no, thank you. So after that, I went to this restaurant called Southern something. Y'all, the food there. The food was so good. We had like a sampler starter. I haven't tried everything on the menu, so me saying food sounds like the whole menu, but the food that I had was good. I did have an appointment tomorrow with my doctor for like the PCOS checkup, but I ended up rescheduling it to next month because y'all, I was not doing what I was supposed to be doing. So ain't no use in me going in there, talking to them people, taking my money for them to tell me, okay, you need to be consistent. I already know, sis, you ain't got to tell me. Which follows with the next thing that I did when I got home. So after I got home, as Michael was getting ready for work, I was like, let me go to the gym. I'm gonna start off by working my way up again. I walked the treadmill for about 30 minutes on speed 2.5, and then I had like incline going up and down or whatever. And when I came home, it was time for Bible study. I was reading from the book of Luke, chapters 13. I really was supposed to be doing chapters 13 through 16, but girl, I was like, I'm learning to actually break down the scripture instead of just reading it for what it is, because if you know, it's everything in that Bible, everything that you read has such a deeper meaning than what you actually read. I am currently being discipled. I'm really learning to break down the scripture. Thank God for my discipler, because had I not had her, I wouldn't be able to really understand. Like, I would just be reading it for what it is. Good thing about reading the Bible is the simple fact that even when you read it, you get this like surface meaning. It's taking me a little bit longer now to read the chapters, because in our Bible study group we do like 4 chapters a night, and that's because we were just reading it as it is. But as I was doing Bible study, I was reading it plus breaking it down as I go, learning to break it down as I go. So I only went through 2 chapters tonight, and then tomorrow morning when I get up, I'm gonna go through the other chapters. So anywho, I was able to get that done, and I also responded back to some inquiries. I responded back to some other emails and stuff like that. So y'all, I have been on a roll today. I'm so happy, and I still got a little bit of energy in me. So all right, so what I'm about to do, it is 10:27. One thing about cooking is cooking be taking a long time, so I'd rather honestly eat out. Michael is gonna be hungry when he comes from work in the morning, so I'm about to make some, I took some chicken breasts out, and I have some vegetable that I want to try. It's like a mixture of Brussels sprouts. I don't know if carrots is in there. I know broccoli is in there. I think cauliflower and mushrooms or something is in there as well, and I want to try it. I got it from Costco, and normally Costco, like vegetable mix and stuff like that, it's normally really good. I also have some cauliflower rice, in the freezer that I could possibly make that too. But for the most part, I'm trying to make us healthy meals because he works long hours overnight, and the one thing I don't want to do when he come home is feed him a bunch of junk. You get what I'm saying? Like, I want to feed him nutritious meat, nutritious. I want to feed him nutritious, y'all, it's the braces, I swear. I want to feed him nutritious meals, so that way he can have a lot of energy so he can go back to work to make our mañana, okay?